And honestly, this shit better not be full. Okay.
Well, I got news.
So who's dead?
So this is part of the content. I'm actually pranking you.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
I'm
putting all this in the dryer. Hold.
Holding.
Hold.
Holding.
Hold. Like, actually hold, bro. Just
And make sure there's no dryer lint so we don't get a fire and your shit dries.
hold, bro. Are you still holding?
I'm holding.
Hold. Good. Wait.
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 Waiting.
Ooh, yeah. Now come here. This is cool.
Oh my god, wait. What are your settings? What are your settings? Make a settings video. Make a settings video.
Okay, so guys, this is my settings for my laundry. So basically, quick dry is a quick 30 minutes. We're going to do high temperature. That's not what we want. Today's section is we're doing towels. Now, you may think, okay, well, if I'm going to do towels, I should go to the bedding section because it's normal dry and it's high temperature, right? Well, no, that's where you're wrong, actually. I'm going on heavy duty. We're going 58 minutes, normal dry, but high temperature, okay? So we're going to click it. Ready? In 3, 2... Make sure to click the subscribe button if you guys want to see me turn on the fucking dryer, okay? Let's get some W's going for this segment. Let's go, shall we? Let's enter the dryer zone. In 3, 2... Are they liking? Are they liking? Are they subbing? Are they subbing? Are they subbing?
Hold.
We're in the dryer zone. Wait, should I try to get in? I actually could. Oh, God. But you'd have to stop it so quickly. Like, how do you stop it? So it would be like...
You would immediately burn to death.
On God?
Not immediately, but it would get hot.
Should I do it?
On God, we should try that.
No, I can't.
Like, not right now, but we should definitely try that.
What? Whose is this? I don't know. I thought this was mine. Oh, we're good.
What about?
So this one we're going to take back. So that was the prank, y'all. Happy birthday.
Bum 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 bum.
I feel like Bowler.
Bowling.
Matter. What the fuck? Oh. Wait, hold on, bro. I left something out here.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.